Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you a lot of things in the baking shop. You can see how loaded this baking shop is. This is the biggest in Calabar. So if you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. Any day I post any new video, you will get an alert. You can see how loaded this baking shop is looking. If you want to go into baking items business, this is a great opportunity for you to update your list. If you're already in the business, this is another opportunity for you to update your shop. If you're into baking business, this is another opportunity to know things you want to purchase and all that. You can see a lot of mold, a lot of painting brush, a lot of designs mold all here. You can see them all over the places, nozzles, tips, extruders, so many things, toppers, these cake toppers, painting brush, and so many things. I'll allow you to tour around this shop with me. In this video, we'll also be talking to one of the sellers to know his experience, what they are passing to the challenges. In case you want to go into baking items business, you will know the things you need to consider and the things not to consider. So, and again, we'll be talking to one of the customers to see how customers are faring, how they are coping with baking things, buying things in the market, and how they are coping with business. You can see hand mixer of different products. This batter dispenser, a lot of colors. This food color, food gel. I love food gel. So if you're buying, don't buy liquid, buy food gel. It's very, very nice. What you're seeing up there is skull flowers, these cake flower toppers, this steamer, this is another way, skull, digital skull, flowers, digital scale again, so many things, so many things here. What you're seeing there is this painting brush, okay, batter dispenser again, this red velvet powder, chocolates of different kinds, these chocolate toppers you can use on your cakes, okay. These cutters, this cake knife, the little one, this is another pillow pan up there, cake separator, this foil pepper package for small chops, these whipped creams, this board of different sizes. Baking shop. So we'll be talking to one of the sellers to tell us how business is going on. Okay, here we'll have Mr. Ekene. Okay, sir, can you please tell us about yourself?
Okay, my name is Ekene O. My name is Ekene O Okoro. I am into baking, selling of baking materials, and I'm under someone, my organ, who is Mr. Mwabeze Mbigwe.
Okay, sir, how can a beginner start this business?
Okay, you understand that the first stage of every business is the capital, and the second is the location. If you have your capital, then second, the location of the place. You have to find a good position that will be suitable for the business you want to engage in. And second one, the capital also matters a lot. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, sir. For a new items in the shop, how do you add price, and what do you consider before you add a new price?
Okay, first of all, you have to consider the price. You got it from the distributor. Then the transportation. Like we mostly will buy from Lagos. So bringing those goods from all the way from Lagos to Calabar, we have to add the transportation. And number three, the profit you are going to make in each of the items.
Okay, thank you. So please, I want to know, is this business really profitable?
Yeah, I can say that the business is profitable. In each business, one of the aim in which people engage in business is for one is the profit making, and in the other way around, you consider the profit also and the losses also, because in every business there is profit and loss. Sometimes when you lost in this particular item, you recover from another items. So,
what are the challenges you people are passing through in a cake baking items business?
Okay, first of all, high rate of tax paying, especially here in Cross River. Yes, tax paying, especially here in Cross River. Number two, goods being damaged as a result of transportation.
Okay.
Yeah. And the third is some goods
expire on time. Okay. Before the expiring date is very close.
Yes.
Okay.
And fourth, the high rate of things in the market.
I think that one is Nigeria at large. It has affected Nigeria at large. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, sir, what is your advice to our viewers who intend to start this business in the future?
If you want to start this business in future, my advice to you is for you to start. Don't consider the loss, just consider the profits. Don't consider whether you have millions or billions in your account. With a little one you have, you can start doing something now. They say start over now and save tomorrow. The area is better. When you start now, you enjoy it. But if you consider the loss you're going to make in it, you won't be able to start. So my advice for you, viewers all over the world, is for you to start doing something for yourself. Thank you.
Still in the baking shop, I met a lady that I feel like asking a few questions. Okay, my sister, please, what is your name?
My name is Ayuk Peace Kennedy.
Okay, I noticed you came to purchase things from this shop. What did you purchase so far?
Okay, I bought corn flour, I bought vanilla flavor, I bought milk flavor, bought milk, that's the dry milk, and I got sugar too.
Okay, what are you using it for?
Okay, I'm using it for the production of custard.
Custard?
Yes.
Wow, that's lovely. You see, there is no work in Nigeria. Everybody needs to start doing something. I'm so happy that a young lady like you is looking out looking out to start something on her own and at least get little income for herself. That's nice. Okay, this custard business, is it really profitable?
Like I will start by saying, when I wanted to start this business, I came to the market with almost 10,000 naira. And when I bought everything and produced it, I only saw 3,200. Like, not as the gain, but for everything, like everything I tried was 3,200. But I didn't feel discouraged because I felt like it's something I'm just starting. So many things, I bought them in bulk. I already had this mindset that I'm going to have more profits when I make the next one. So the next one, I came to the market with about 6,000 naira, and the profit I saw was 2,000 naira. But as time goes on, I've really seen that sometimes there's the profits. Like if I should take 6,000 naira to the market, I can still see profit of 5,000 naira.
Wow.
Extra. Yes.
Wow. That's very, very nice. I love your courage and your zeal. Okay, are there challenges you are passing through? Are there challenges you're noticing in this business so far?
Yes. There are challenges. When I take the products to some people, they have to ask for NAFDAC number. and though it's something I'm planning to do because I'm seeing the business going big, because few of my customers testing the products really love it. Another thing is the loss. Sometimes I used to face the loss, like I just wanted to stop producing this thing. On Monday when I sat back and was just reflecting, I wanted to stop the business, but something just struck my mind that I just need to do something, because it does, if I don't fail I won't be able to succeed. So I must fail, I must try as many times as possible before I can succeed.
Your morale is too high. I love that. Okay, any advice for people who would love to start this custard business?
Yes, there's an advice. You know, in life now, you don't need to wait for anybody again. Like, you don't even need to start carrying certificates around looking for jobs here. And even if you're a graduate, you can just start up something. So my advice is that if you just want to go into custard, you can go, like, no matter how little the amount is, depending on how you want to start, you can still start this business with 5K. And you don't just need to wait till you have the money involved before you start off something. You just need to start off something to be having small incomes.
Okay, thank you so much.
So to my viewers all around the world, if you want to start a cake business, cake baking business, you can start. If you want to start a baking items business, start. With a little income you have already saved, please start. Don't wait for millions or thousands to penetrate your account before you start. Just start with the little you have right now, because little by little a house is built. So with time you will grow in the business. So just start up your business and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to invite a friend to this video. In this week will be pastry week. Is there any pastry you want us to try out for you? You've been looking for the recipe? Please put it on our comment section below, because this week we are entering is pastry week. We're going to try a lot of pastries you will be loving. So okay, thank you so much. Don't forget to like our video. Bye bye.